Python interview questions and answers. What is Python? Python is nothing but an advanced and smart computer programming language that has exceptions, objects, modules, threads, and automatic memory management. The language is quite simple and easy to use, transferable, extensible, open source, and built-in data structure. What is the reason behind using yield in Python? There are situations where sometimes people wish to have more thorough and fine access control over how much is to be read over in each iteration. To get better control in these cases, it's always the best idea to use it and yield. What is meant by PEP8? The term stands for Python Enhancement Proposal. PEP8 is a set of rules that are used to specify the formatting of Python code to get the maximum readability. What do you mean by namespace in Python? It is a naming system used to be sure that names are unique to avoid naming conflicts. Explain about lambda in Python. Lambda in Python is a single expression anonymous function that is frequently used as an inline function. In Python, while lambda forms do not have statements. Yes. Lambda forms do not have statements in Python as it is used in case of a new function object and also get returned at runtime. What do you mean by Python decorators? These are specific amendments that need to make in Python syntax to alter functions flawlessly. In Python, what is the use of the split function? It is used to break a string into shorter strings with the help of the define separator. It also sends a list of all words that are presented in the string. What are the iterators in Python? These are used to iterate some groups of elements or containers, such as a list. What do you know about the unit test in Python? United means a unit testing framework in Python. It supports the sharing of automation testing, aggregation of test, setups, etc. Do you tell me about docstring in Python? Docstring means a Python documentation string. It is a method of documenting Python functions, classes, and modules. Name the standard way used for the Flask script to work. To work the Flash script, the user should either import the path of their application or give the path to a Python file. Explain the term generators in Python programming language. Those functions that are returned in an iterated set of items are known as generators. Does Python a case-sensitive programming language? Yup. Python is considered as a case-sensitive programming language. Explain the Python package. These are namespaces having different or multiple modules. In Python, do we use OOPS concepts? The fact, Python is an object-oriented programming language where programs can solve by establishing an object model. But Python is treated as a structural and procedural language.